The Serbian three-finger salute is this, and it's the equivalent of the German Nazi salute. You know, like when they said "Hail Hitler," like that phrase "Hail Hitler." So I want to speak about the history of the Serbian three-finger salute. It is extremely nationalistic in nature. It is barbaric, and it is extremely evil. The Serbian Chetniks were basically, they are a group of people that want to destroy the country of Bosnia and Herzegovina. And I was born in Bosnia and Herzegovina. My father was shot in his leg by a Serbian Chetnik sniper. One of my family members had their head chopped off by a Serbian Chetnik, right? So I have to say, I have serious beef with the Serbian Chetniks. To this day, they say that they're in the mood to kill again. You can go online on Google and type in Serbian Chetniks and just look it up. They like to walk down the streets of Visegrad in Bosnia and Herzegovina and basically, you know, flash their three-finger salute, the Serbian three-finger salute, and say how they're in the mood to kill Bosnians. So because that's the country of Bosnia and Herzegovina, they should either be lit on fire or shot in the head for speaking about that kind of bullshit and evil. That's beyond bullshit, actually, I should say. That is literally a cause. Like, I would shoot them in the head with a sniper if they passed by me and said that kind of shit. Or flash the three-finger salute. I have hatred for anybody that flashes the Serbian three-finger salute. Anybody. I have zero respect for that, and I will not tolerate it. And if I see that, I will report it. And you know what else? I think it would be really cool if somebody put a picture online of the Serbian three-finger salute, and then somebody said, all right, I'll just hack off your fingers. You know, you want to show your three fingers? Okay, just chop them off, and you don't have fingers anymore, you know? Because the Serbian Chetniks liked to chop off the heads of Bosnians, and especially Bosnian Muslims, are otherwise known as Bosniaks. And they like to flash the three-finger salute when they had, like, they hacked off their head, you know, they chopped off their head. They would put the three-finger salute, like, they would put their two fingers on the eyes, and this one would go on the cheek just to display dominance over Bosnian Muslims. You know what I mean? That shit has got to stop. Like, fuck that shit. You know what should happen? If Serbian Chetniks walk down the street in Visegrad, Bosniaks should walk down the street with snipers and just shoot them in the head and kill them all. You know what I mean? Because if you want to play that shit, let's play that shit.